If you're looking to zip and unzip files on your iPhone, don't worry, I've got you covered. Whether you need to compress multiple files into a single zip file or extract files from a zip archive, it's all possible with the Files app. Here's how to do it. How to zip files on iPhone. Open the Files app. Find and open the Files app on your iPhone. Select Files to zip. Navigate to the folder containing the files you want to zip. Tap Select in the top right corner, or you can tap and hold the file. Select Compress. It'll create the zip file. How to unzip files on iPhone. This one is piece of cake. Locate the zip file. Extract the zip file. Tap on the zip file. The files will automatically be extracted into a new folder with the same name as the zip file. By following these steps, you'll be able to easily zip and unzip files on your iPhone. If this guide helped, let me know in the comments below.